Welcome, everyone. Let's jump right into this executive briefing. Today, we're looking at a massive shift in how organizations handle their data workflows. We're going to explore how taking highly fragmented, completely manual reporting processes and replacing them with an AI-native spreadsheet is radically accelerating data-driven decision-making. Now, if you're dealing with metrics or driving strategy every week, you already know the deal. The speed at which you can turn raw data into actionable insights dictates exactly how fast your business can pivot and grow. So let's break down exactly how this new workflow functions.
Now, check out the sheer return on investment here when it comes to your most valuable resource, your time. A typical multi-tool reporting cycle usually takes a skilled analyst about 45 minutes of heavy manual labor to complete. But by using a single plain English prompt in a unified tool at Quadratic, you get the exact same output in under 20 seconds. We're not just talking about some minor efficiency bump here. We are talking about a total paradigm shift in how quickly your leadership team can access the insights they need to actually make the call. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. First, the manual reporting bottleneck. Second, the unified AI workflow. Third, instant data preparation. Fourth, automated executive dashboards. Fifth, real-time data integration. And finally, the ROI of automation. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The manual reporting bottleneck and a hidden operational cost of fragmented tools.
You know the drill. Before any high-level insights actually make it to the C-suite, analysts and managers are forced to navigate this incredibly tedious four-step process every single week. First, they're exporting a messy CSV from a database or CRM. Second, they pull it into Excel to scrub it and build manual formulas. Third, they might bounce over to ChatGPT to ask for help parsing the trends. And fourth, they have to manually copy and paste those charts into a slide deck for the weekly meeting. It's a completely fractured workflow. It's super prone to human error, incredibly slow, and honestly, by the time the slide deck gets presented to the executive team, the data is already stale.
But here is the fix: a unified stack, specifically the Quadratic AI interface. By condensing those 4 isolated tools into one single environment, all that friction just vanishes. You can simply ask plain English questions directly inside the spreadsheet grid to run incredibly complex data analysis. You don't need to be a software engineer to get engineer-level insights anymore.
Moving right along to Section 2, the unified AI workflow, where we move beyond traditional formulas.
This quote really hits the nail on the head. The AI can actually run Python or SQL inside the grid. It is actually executing. Think about what that actually means for your business operations. Instead of just getting generic advice or templates from a basic chatbot, this environment actively writes and executes production-level Python and SQL code directly behind the spreadsheet grid. Whether you're an executive or an analyst, it's literally like having a senior data scientist sitting right next to you, executing requests against the data right before your eyes at lightning speed. Which brings us to Section 3, instant data preparation. Let's look at eliminating the analyst's burden during the most time-consuming phase of any analysis. Look, every analyst knows the absolute pain of messy data. It's a massive time sink. But with just a single conversational prompt, the AI knocks out all these dense data cleaning tasks simultaneously. In under 20 seconds, it instantly removes duplicate rows, standardizes all those weird date formats into one clean mm/dd/YYY format, converts mixed currencies into pure numeric values, and flags any missing or invalid data. It takes that chaotic, raw CSV export and preps it perfectly for immediate analysis. The burden of manual scrubbing is essentially gone, freeing your team up to actually focus on strategy.
Once that data is clean, the real strategic value pops in how we visualize the outcomes. That brings us to Section 4, automated executive dashboards, going from raw data directly to the boardroom.
For instance, just by typing a quick request, we can instantly generate a bar chart tracking channel performance. Immediately, we can see that our newsletter is our most efficient marketing channel, easily beating out LinkedIn and organic. There's no manual chart building, no fighting with axes or legends. The AI completely understands the context of the clean data and builds the absolute best visualization to highlight where your marketing ad spend is delivering the highest returns.
And we can just as easily pivot that analysis. We can ask the AI to break down product categories with a clean donut chart to uncover exactly which business units are driving growth. In this specific scenario, consulting is delivering the strongest return on ad spend. As a business leader, this is the exact clarity you need to confidently decide where to double down your budget next quarter. You're getting answers to complex questions entirely on demand.
But it doesn't stop at internal dashboards.
For client-facing operations or agency teams, the AI can synthesize all these performance metrics into a highly structured table. But here's the real game changer. Check out that last column. It actually generates a pre-written, client-friendly email summary based directly on the data in that specific row. Your account managers can go from raw performance numbers to a fully drafted, insightful client update in seconds. That's a massive win for team efficiency and client communication.
Section 5. Real-time data integration. It is time to end the export cycle. Because let's be real, analyzing historical CSVs is really only half the battle. Executives need live data to make agile decisions. A modern AI-native spreadsheet acts as a live hub. It features native APIs for real-time stock market data, integrates directly with your marketing stack like Google Analytics and Mixpanel, connects perfectly to financial tools like QuickBooks, and pulls live directly from your internal company databases, whether that's MySQL or Postgres. You aren't looking at data from last Friday anymore. You are looking at your business as it stands right this very second.
And looking forward, the capabilities are becoming even more autonomous. Take a look at this upcoming feature, Agent Sync. This is an AI capability that literally researches API documentation and handles complex data pipeline setups entirely on its own. Imagine just telling your spreadsheet to connect to a brand new SaaS tool your company bought, and the AI goes out, reads the developer docs, authenticates, and builds the data pipeline for you. That is the future of automated data engineering.
Finally, let's bring it all home by looking at the ultimate payoff for your operations. Section 6, the ROI of automation and achieving scheduled intelligence. Check out this morning timeline. This is what a fully automated workflow actually looks like. At 8 a.m., without anyone touching a keyboard, the AI pulls live database metrics via those API connections. At 8:02 a.m., the system reruns its background Python code, updating all of the charts, the monthly recurring revenue formulas, and the churn trends. And by 8:05 a.m., a completely fresh, highly accurate founder dashboard is waiting for you before your morning strategy meeting even starts. You've completely removed the human bottleneck from the reporting process. So I'll leave you with this one final, critical question to chew on. What if your team never manually updated a dashboard again? If we completely eliminate that 45-minute, error-prone, multi-tool bottleneck, how much faster could your leadership team pivot, strategize, and scale using real-time, accurate insights? That is the true power of the AI-native spreadsheet. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I highly recommend looking at your own workflows to see where this technology can unlock your team's potential. See you next time.